In this tutorial, I'm going to show you three options wall animation slide. As you can see here, when I click on the light, three options will come there. And in the second slide, I have just put the photo frame. It will show you the options on the photo frame. And the third slide without the red carpet. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes, and from Basic Shapes, select Trapezoid. Draw a trapezoid, maybe this size. Right mouse click, go to Format Shapes, and under Effects, go to 3D Rotation, and from there you just select this particular perspective, and then go to 3D Format. You can just give a bevel shape and increase the height and width, make it 0, and here the height may be 29 or 30, and depth you can increase to 6 points, and contour you just make it 1, a white color, and depth you can just give some other color as you like, and then go to the material and select the right effect as you need, and lighting also you can just select the different color, and under color select the white, reduce the size, and shape outline make it no outline, and go to effects again and select a different material and lighting. You can reduce the width and make it more smaller, and go to view, enable the guides, put this in the center, and press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and put one on the left side and one more on the right side. Align it properly, make sure that the alignment is there. Then go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle, draw a small rectangle, maybe this much size, and shape outline, make it no outline, and go to Gradient Fill, and I'm going to use 3 stops, make it 2 stops only, and then one side I'm giving white color, the other stop I'm going to select white, and in between I'm adding one more and just give a dark or light gray color, and here again use some gray color. So this one you have to make it, and then you can just change the direction, and I'm going to add one more stop to give one more light effect, and again one more on to the right side, and align it or adjust it properly. You can work with 4 or 5 stops. If you feel, then you can add more also. So you can see here I have just given this particular effect, and go to Insert, Shapes, and select a oval shape, and put oval shape on top of that, and give a dark gray color, and select both these options and right mouse click, group it, and reduce the size and put it exactly on top of the first option. Then go to Insert, Shapes, and I'm going to select a rectangle to hang it, shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill you can give a gray color, and select this, go to Format and just send to back, and select all these 3, right mouse click and group it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and put it onto the next one, and again press Ctrl D and put it in the center. and just align it properly. Here you can just reduce the size a little bit to fit it on the top and make it a smaller one so that the lamp in the center should look more smaller than the left and right. It should look something like this. And then right mouse click, go to format background, select a gradient fill, and you can just change the background color, and I'm just going to use a radial for this. You can see here I'm just going to give more white. So you can just give some effect like this. So you can see here, this is the gradient fill, the type radial. Then go to insert, shapes, select a rectangle, draw the rectangle at the bottom of the slide, shape outline, make it no outline, and use a gradient fill and give a linear type. And I'm going to make 2 stops and just select the direction, which is something look like this. It should feel like it's a kind of a wall effect, and this is the floor. Then go to insert, shapes, and I'm just going to draw a trapezoid again, rotate, and just say flip vertical and put it here. Edit points, reduce the size. This is for the light effect I'm using, and send this to back. Shape outline, make it no outline, and select a soft edges. You can see here, increase the size, and then go to fill, select a gradient fill and type, make it linear, and direction, the white should come on top. You can see here, and this gray color, you make it light, and transparency, you can make it 100%. So you can see here, and this also we can make it white color, and brightness make it 100%. And this also brightness 100%, and this also make it less transparent. We should get a perfect light, so you can just play with the transparency. So you can see here, this is the light effect, and then I'm just going to put a full light on the top and less transparent at the bottom, and align it properly. Press Ctrl D, add it to the second one, and again press Ctrl D, add it to the third one. Just send this to back and send this to back. So you can see here, go to insert, text box, and add the text. I'm just saying option 1 and bring it here below the light effect and make it bold and increase the size and change the font color of your choice and put it here. Press Ctrl D, add to the second one, make it option 2, and again Ctrl D, make it option 3. Then just change the color which is not visible. You can just go to format and just give some light color so that it is more visible now. Otherwise the background, with the background it is blending with the background. So just make it more transparent color. You can see here this option 1, 2 and 3. Just close the format background, go to select selection pane, and then just come and give a naming for each light. This is light 1, this is light 2. This will help me in the animation, and make this as a light 3. And this also I'm just going to select and group it. You can see here I'm just grouping the text and the light. Right mouse click, group it, select these 3, send this to back, and rename this also. I'm just going to say option 1, this is option 2, and this is option 3. Close the selection, go to animations tab, animation pane. I'm just going to select the option 1 and just say the animation as wipe, and effect just say from top, and double click the animation, go to timings, under triggers, start effect on. I will say you just go down and I will say light 1. Click OK. So here if I just say slideshow, when I click on the light it will show you the option 1 here. So similarly I'll just select the option 2, and then I'm just going to select the wipe effect, and again change that from the top, double click, timings and trigger should start on click on light 2. Click OK, and then the same thing you do for this option 3, wipe effect from top, and again double click, timing, triggers, start effect on click off at light 3. Click OK. So let's see now. When I click, it will show you option 1, option 2 and option 3. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.